believe that we should receive a bunch of information in a short period of time. So what does that do? Now, it's hard for you to sit through something for 30 minutes or an hour. You want it all in 1 minute or 2 minutes. And it might feel good to us now. Oh, yeah, let me hit this short. Let me hit this reel. You know what I'm saying? Get this information in this little short frame. But then, a long run is damaging you mentally and spiritually. Because I bet you right now, how many people can actually take the time to sit down and read a book? Remember, a book, you have to have a long attention span to read a book because you got to go page after page. To get the whole story of the book, you got to read them to 200-300 pages. That might take you a good book gonna take you a couple months to read. How can motherfuckers sit down and read a book when they are being programmed to receive all the information in 2 minutes? What's a reel? 60 to 90 seconds? You gotta think about that part. That's an attack on us, these shorts and these reels. What's the short of the reel? 60 to 90 seconds. And the more you get used to that, you get used to it. It's just like a goddess if she's using the vibrator too much. If she keep using the vibrator on her clitoris or her sacral chakra, or the god using the same ones on his sacral chakra, the nerves become numb. So now she won't be able to receive the same amount of pleasure naturally as she will from that. It's the same thing. So these shorts and these reels is a program on the mind, making you believe that you should consume all your information in 60 to 90 seconds. So now it's hard for you to read a book. It's hard to sit through a movie. And a short attention span means that you have a weak mind. Because the more you get relied upon receiving everything in 60 to 90 seconds, how are you going to achieve something in life? Anything in life that you want to achieve is going to take time and it's going to take hard work. It don't come in 60 to 90 seconds. We know time ain't real. I'm just paraphrasing right now. It's going to take time. It's not going to come in 60 to 90 seconds. You're not going to become a millionaire in 60 to 90 seconds. You're not going to achieve whatever your dream is in 60 to 90 seconds. Whatever your soul contract is, you are not going to fulfill it in 60 to 90 seconds. So why are we programming our youth to believe we should get it all in 60 to 90 seconds? And how are we able to accept that? Because of the human meat they are feeding us. They want you to have a short attention span so that you're not able to focus. If you're not able to focus, then you are not able to manifest and create anything. Meanwhile, while you trying to expect everything to come to you in 60 to 90 seconds, they are spending years coming up with methods to destroy you. They not taking 60 to 90 seconds to do nothing. They put in real years and decades into destroying you. That's their goal. To make sure that you do not rise back to your divine estate that was given to you. That you do not receive your divine birthright. Think about things they create. They don't do it in 60 to 90 seconds. Instagram wasn't created in 60 to 90 seconds. Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, everything we love now, the iPhone, Steve Jobs did not create Apple and iPhone and the Mac in 60 to 90 seconds. But they are programming us to believe that we should get everything in 60 to 90 seconds. This is why they start pushing the shorts and the reels on us so hard. When they first came out, that wasn't the purpose. But once again, Zeus is so crafty. He's the inventor of technology. He's going to find a way to manipulate everything. Anything that comes to us that's here to help us rise, he's going to find a way to manipulate and try to destroy it and use it against us. Once again, a short attention span means that you have a weak mind, not a strong one. Especially the youth. Because now with this short attention span, ask them to sit down and problem solve something. If they don't get the problem, they don't solve the problem in 60 to 90 seconds, I bet they get mad. I bet they get frustrated. Peace to the gods and goddesses of planet God. Peace, meaning positive energy always creates elevation. Peace to all the high vibration human beings. Peace to the ancestors for working through me. If you wish to see this full video, please head over to our official online website, www.theuci.online, and click on the video tab. Also, you can click, the shortcut to this video is to click the link below. It will be in the pinned comment in the comment section below. You can click the link and it will take you directly to this video so that you can watch this full video. Please be sure to continue to spread the message via social media. Use the hashtags on TikTok, Rashad Jamal, hashtag free Rashad Jamal. Be sure to continue. Thank you for everyone that's donating to the university and for those who are subscribing to the online website. And to purchase official crystals, please visit the website as well. I love you all. I'll be home soon. Now we rise. I leave as I come. Ashe.